Hey guys, today let's learn how to convert your Facebook account to a Facebook page. So if you guys would like to go ahead and, create a Facebook page from your Facebook account. In this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so before we go ahead and do this, what I want you guys to go ahead and do first is to launch the Facebook application, and I want you to convert your account to a professional account. So to do that, just go ahead and tap on your profile names and then tap on this three dots right here and then tap on turn on professional mode. Now, once this mode is already on, we can actually now proceed with turning our specific Facebook account to a Facebook page. Now, why is that, and how does this actually turn our Facebook account to a Facebook page? Well, this is because on the professional mode, it actually gives us the same exact insights, activity, and different kinds of features that is available only on a Facebook page. Now, you could actually go ahead and proceed with connecting with your audience just like as you would do on a Facebook page. Also add some bios and stuff like that, and you can also go ahead and view your insights as well over on the professional dashboard. So that is how you guys could easily go ahead and convert your Facebook profile to a Facebook page. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.